Hey, Angie here with Angie's Beyond the Lecture, and it's almost said 6th, 4th, and 2025. I'm in Omaha. It's freezing cold. I hope you're warm wherever you're located here in the United States or beyond. And I just wanted to cover the things that I put out on YouTube and Patreon so you can sort of have an idea of what's going on and what I plan to add in the future. I've been really, once I got my iPad set up and I'm back in Omaha, I've been cranking out material left and right. Some of it's older stuff that I put out on YouTube that I thought would have a place on Patreon as well, and it's free still, of course. Some of the things I put out today are, and I had to make a list. I did intro to geometry terms, so that's the first few weeks of the semester, and it's a fill in the blank, and maybe 1 to 2 pages at the most. It's got fill in the blank and then the answer key. It's free on Patreon. And then I have an expanded set, and this covers terminology and theorems and definitions from the entire semester. It's about 30 to 35 problems, and I have access to about, I think, 120. I have a master worksheet. It's on my shared drive. I'm pretty sure I've shared it before, and I'll have a review sheet for that, and it'll cover the entire semester. And I might give it like a maybe $1 or $2 for people who just want to purchase that single sheet alone, or Patreon members get it for free. Again, it's $10 a month for Patreon members to register on my Patreon site, and you get everything for free, whether it's free access or the paid access, right? So, and everything is low cost. I don't see myself putting anything above $3. It'll be very comprehensive and very, very well worth the time to download and review. Back to one more thing. I did a repost of points of concurrency. And points of concurrency are the segments that originate from a triangle, usually from the vertex of the triangle. There are 4 key terms there. And in addition to that, these segments create points of concurrency. So you need to know that. You need to know the segments and then the point of concurrency that they create, right? And I do have a 1-page document out there that's, I think, very helpful. I actually took a worksheet, or not a worksheet, maybe a diagram from well over a decade ago, and I just enhanced it. I super enhanced it with the diagrams and the definitions, and I highlighted the X, where they actually cross. So I hope you find that helpful too. That's a tricky part of geometry. I can honestly tell you that when it came across, when I was tutoring back in Highland Park, Texas, that came up in their curriculum sort of randomly, and like it just appeared, right? And the tutors are like, hey, what's going on here? We need to figure this out. It's a tricky topic that's not in every course. It's not in every geometry high school curriculum. So just be aware you might see that, and if you can just completely ignore it. If you see it, that particular section in my reviews, you don't have to worry about that terminology. Now back to tomorrow, I have a couple of videos on tap. I have moles versus the molecule. I just want to do a demonstration on that. And then I was going to do a drive through on the course answers that I put out. It's the free YouTube course for, I think it's intro to intro to college chemistry or high school chemistry. Yeah, and even Gen Chem. It has all the basic topics from those 3. So high school chemistry, intro to college chemistry, general chemistry 1. The foundations are going to be the same across the board. And I was just going to take the answer sheet I provided and do a quick drive through and maybe explain a couple things that might be better served to explain verbally versus in written words. I think would be helpful for students there. And that's about it. Oh, geometry proofs those are coming up. That might be tomorrow. It might be on Saturday. Depends on how far I get tomorrow. And that's it. So thanks for watching. And if you'd like more information on the Patreon channel, I'll put that in the description. And that's going to be helpful. A lot of free material, like not all of it's paid. There will be some free material out there. I'll try to keep a good portion of it free. But then if you want like advanced worksheets and explanations and videos, the really nitty gritty detail stuff, the stuff that takes longer for me to write and produce, that would be, the paid option that you can either pay per item or simply just join for $10 a month. And a benefit to that is that I am cross-disciplinary. So I have a biology degree, and I started actively tutoring when I went back to school back in 2007. So we're going on almost 20 years here, and I actively tutored over the past couple decades chemistry, geometry, physics, algebra, algebra 1, algebra 2, college algebra. I'm missing something. Biology. Of course, I'm a biology major. I tutor that as well. And please be aware, AP subjects I don't do. Okay. AP is a whole different beast. It's maintained by the College Board. I have respect for it. I just haven't done it as much in recent years. But definitely all the core, the core STEM subjects. I work on those subjects and have on a daily basis for many, many, many years. I've worked with hundreds, I would say at this point by now, thousands of students, and I've helped them in various school districts in Nebraska and in Dallas and college and beyond across the country. So thanks for watching this again, and I good luck with finals coming up here. They're coming in the next couple weeks, and I hope everyone does well. Thanks again.